Collision versus comprehensive. If you hit a bucket sitting in the road, that's a collision. Now, if that bucket fell off of a vehicle and it was bouncing down the road and you hit it, then that would be a comprehensive. That's a big deal because a collision is a at fault, where a comprehensive is a not at fault. A lot of times your deductibles are different. A lot of people have a cheaper comprehensive deductible than they would a collision deductible. So once again, when you go to a shop that you trust. Let them know what the situation is, and hopefully they can help you as far as make the right move.